Hey all, welcome back to my channel. This is me Namrata. Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, as you have already guessed, I'm gonna do this eye makeup in front of you using a single palette, that is the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette, which you might already know by the title. But there is a twist. I used almost all the mattes, not this metallics. I haven't used this metallics, but apart from this two, I used almost all the shades right here. So one of my friend, Shatabdi, she is also a YouTuber. You can check her channel. She is doing another look using the same palette. So if you get this palette, it will be very helpful to you all to know like how to utilize all the shades and how to get different looks out of a single palette. So she is also doing a very pretty eye makeup look using this palette, so check her channel as well. I'll be mentioning the video link in the description box, and at the end of the video you can check her channel and please subscribe to her. She is really great and she shares a lot of reviews and other makeup related stuff. So for today's video I'm gonna do only the eye makeup, and the base I'm wearing, I'm gonna do another video for that because I'm tasting a very hyped newly launched foundation. Eventually we'll get to know that what is it. So in today's video it's only about eye makeup.
Starting off with good amount of lip balm before I put the lip color on, and then went with the eye makeup. At first used eyeshadow primer. This is from a brand called Lascious, and it has a very thick consistency, so blended this with my fluffy concealer brush, and then removed all the excess product with a beauty blender, and then I picked my Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. As you can see, it has beautiful shades, and at first I took the yellow shade. This is a matte shade as a transition color, although I used 2 or 3 different shades as transition shades. Started with the inner corner and kept building the yellow shade unless you can see the exact pigment, and as I go to the outer corner, I picked all the darker shades to define the outer corner of my crease, and now I'm using a coral shade in the middle of my crease and blending it with the previous shade. And in case you want to know how pigmented the shadows are, then honestly I'd say you have to build it up. You can't get the desired pigmentation with the first time apply. You have to reapply the shadows at least 3 times to get the maximum opaqueness. And at the end I applied a deeper coral shade. This palette has beautiful shades of coral which I really love, and it looks really great on Indian skin tones. But the metallics from this palette are bomb. They are super pigmented.
And next I'm gonna cut the crease using a concealer, and today I'll be using this one. This is the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm in the shade Tan.
And again I'm back with the palette, and this time I'm picking another matte shade, and this is a beige or nude sort of a shade. It's best for setting your concealer on your eye, and this is what I'm doing, and I'm not gonna put any more color on my lid today. And again I'm picking all the shades I used in my crease to darken up the edge. And always make sure whenever you are doing cut crease, your cut crease or that edge should look little darker. And I used a flat brush to apply those shades. And now using a dark orange or burnt orange sort of a shade to line my eyes, using a flat brush to draw a line close to my upper lash line. Although at this point I haven't planned to apply any black liner, but afterwards I did that, and I used another shade. I used 2 different shades to line my eyes. I did sort of a ombre line, but I didn't remove this line, rather I used it as a guide. It helped me to draw the line with the black liner, and this is from Clinique. This is their eyeliner pen. And next I used Colourpop Cosmetics Supernova Shadow. This is their liquid glitter shadow, and the shade I'm using here, this is called Dragon. It's a beautiful copper shade, and I'm using a flat brush to draw the line from inner corner to the center. And always make sure whenever you are doing ombre liner, both the shades should be very well blended. And then I used a simple black kajal to line my inner lower lash line, and then use that brown shade from the palette, that burnt orange shade I used earlier. So I used that in the outer lower lash line to blend that with the black kajal, and that's how it will give very subtle smoky look. And this is the highlighter I used today. This is the Kylie Cosmetics Pressed Illuminating Highlighter, and this is in the shade Salted Caramel. It's a beautiful highlighter. If you want, you can give it a try. And applying it on all the usual spots, on all the high points of my face. And my eye makeup is almost done. Next I'll be what you are seeing now. I'm just curling my lashes. After that I will apply mascara followed by falsies. So this was all about today's video. And the mascara I'm using here, it's from Benefit Cosmetics. This is their new mascara, Bad Girl Bang, the best one. I'm really impressed by this mascara. It's a must try. And after that I'll be applying a falsie from Sephora. But if you want, you can skip false lashes. Instead you can apply good amount of mascara, and that would look gorgeous as well. And then I moved forward with lip color, and today I used another Kylie Cosmetics product. This is their Velvet Liquid Lipstick in shade Golds. It's a very sweet strawberry pink, and looking really good with this coral eye makeup look. So this was it for today's video. I hope you liked watching this video. Then please don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel. And I'm sharing Shatabdi's video here. Please check her channel as well. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.